Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane. So, well, first I draw something on it. Alright, now you turn this page. Then you go to this. You fold first, and then you fold it like this.
I think I need a little more practice. Famika, that's it. Practice sharing? Sure.
Fold it like that.
We just have to find something that we can share.
Make sure it have a point.
Here you go, Mouse. Have some berries.
Then you go like this.
Now you share with me. Okay. Thank you, Mouse.
Then
That's so
you go like this.
How'd that feel? Terrific. Now, can you please share your mysterious something with me?
Then you go like this.
I think you still need a little more practice, Mouse.
Then
Hi, Edwina.
now it's like this.
It's nice. Is it supposed to fall apart? No, it won't stay together. You need something long and skinny to hold your
Then
daisies
you
together.
go like. Then you go
Maybe
like
we could use
this.
some vines. I tried that. The vines are too thick. Long and skinny.
Then
Famika,
you go like
the
this. Trying
mysterious
to close
something. Just one little skinny piece. Please, Mouse?
So,
Sure, Edwina. You can have some of my mysterious something.
alright. Now this how your airplane gonna look.
Here you go, Edwina.
Alright. Let's see do it fly.
Thanks, Mouse.
Wait.
Wanna make daisy chains with me? Love to.
It maybe didn't fly because look,
Good sharing, Mouse.
it's not really good.
Well, it does
So
feel good to share, even my
this
mysterious
I'm gonna show y'all what else to do.
Mouse. Soon you'll be a great
Bend the wings hard. Then wait.
Hi, girls. What's wrong?
We made a new nest. We thought it was perfect, but no matter what we try, it just isn't comfy.
Did you buy cattail fluff?
Too tickly.
Dandelion seeds?
Then you get scissors. Look at the back.
Soft and smooth.
Then you cut the back.
Something?
Wanna put Dad in a nest?
Not all of it. Just some fluffy flakes. If it's okay with Mouse, it is his mysterious something after all.
Well, please, Mouse, just a tiny bit. We'd be ever so grateful and have such a nice nap.
Then you go like this. Then now your airplane gonna look like that.
Girls, try that.
Oh, oh, oh. Let's see that again.
Amber's asleep already. Would you like to have a nap with
Alright,
Sorry, Jay.
let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing could fly. And that's how you make a perfect airplane. Subscribe if you're new. Everything. Yeah, everybody. 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 Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
What Mouse found? A mysterious something. Let's see.
Bye.